Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to check CPU temperature in Windows 11. Let's start with the video. First open your browser and type HWMonitor, press enter. Click on this first link. I will share this link in the description. After that, this interface will come up in front of you. Here you will see the free download button. Click on this button. Scroll down. So here in installer, go to the free download and click on SourceForge. Here you can see download has started, so wait for a few seconds. Once download is completed, open the file. Right click on this, click on open. From here you can select your language. So by default English is selected, so click on OK. Click on next. This is license agreement, you can read from here. After that click on I accept the agreement. Click on next. So here it is asking for installation folder. By default C is selected. If you want to change it, then just click on browser and select the folder from here. Click on OK and then click on next. Again click on next. Click on install. So once the installation is completed, you will get this kind of interface. Here you can see HWMonitor is already selected. So click on finish. Click on start. Now to check the CPU temperature, just click on sensor. Scroll down. Here you will be able to see all the temperature. It will show the temperature of different types of CPU. Here you can see minimum, maximum and average temperature is already mentioned. So you can compare your current temperature with these temperatures. So guys, in this video we saw how to check CPU temperature in Windows 10 and 11. If you find the video helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.